What's up guys, Sam Dillinger. Welcome to my check engine light. So this video is just how to turn off the check engine light. I'm not going to bore you with any of the details. If you want to know what it is, how it works, all that stuff, make sure that you check out the first pilot episode of our show, My Check Engine Light TV. This, I'm just going to show you how to turn it off, because sometimes that's really all you need to know. So for this car, you can see right here, there's my OBD2 port, and just plug this guy in, or try, come on, you can do it, there you go. Turn the key on. Oh, also, something I should mention, most cars, you're not gonna be able to turn the check engine light off if the engine is running. So just key on is all we're looking for. So let me turn this way so you guys can see what I'm looking at here. So we're just trying to turn the code off. We'll just let it resolve its own communications. And you can see DTCs, that's diagnostic trouble code. That's what we're looking for. Read the codes, of course, that part's important. And you see, we got a bunch of them in here. So I'm just gonna come here, erase the codes. And that's it. So the reason why I'm showing you this method is because this is my preferred method. With some type of scanner, you can get code readers at the parts store for like 30 bucks. That will be able to at least give you the P code and turn off the code if you fixed it or something like that. You don't need even something as advanced as this is, which this is not terribly advanced. But that's, if you disconnect the battery, a lot of the newer cars, you're gonna have to go and get a code to get your radio programmed in order to be able to use it again. So that's not gonna really be the best method. And after you fix the problem that caused the check engine light, it'll turn off by itself eventually. But sometimes it could take like 2 weeks. So the only real concrete method to actually check and see if the car is repaired and turn the check engine light off is to use some type of scanner and or code reader. So that's it guys, that's all we have for today.